Actors are the only people who can give life on stage.
Another week, another chance for us to bring the story to life. The stage is calling, and we're just about to answer.
May singilang pangarap, makikiupas sa buwang sa
Good morning!
Morning!
It's week 3.
Hoy! Ay,
Barbon. Pinapanindigan na naman yung pagiging nonchalant. Nonchalant person niya. Oh, yeah. Okay, maniwala. Kamusta naman kayo sa walang aray?
may aray na ako. Tapos na ako actually.
Good morning, boys. Good morning. Happy third week. Good morning. Yes. Our boys.
Paano ba? I-emphasize lang. So, pag binobol mo, bar boys. Tapos matalino. So, matalino kami.
We are the Bar Boys.
Pag bogo.
Yung mga bobo nasa gobyerno.
Kaya kami nagre-rehearse ngayon ng Bar Boys para sa gobyerno. Sa mga gobyerno na panoorin itong Bar Boys para naman mahimasmasan kayo. Ganun pala kahirap mag-birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
So, papunta na kami sa Carinderia.
Pogi yan din, no?
Thank you po.
Nahuli. Si Ade.
Si Ade. Hey, Ade. Ade. Pogi ka daw. So nagtataka rin ako kung bakit sobrang aga ko nakarating dito sa rehearsal area. Yun pala, today is hindi kasi tayo makarelate sa holiday. Wala kasi tayo. Ano ba yung holiday? Wala yun. Wala. Hindi totoo yun.
Kailangan isip.
Parang ano lang yun. Parang prank o social construct.
Grabe yung prank.
Prank para sa atin.
It's a prank!
Mood for today.
So I am so excited for everyone to see. The ensemble players are fantastic. And the boys are absolutely,
Wow.
absolutely astounding. As in, they can carry themselves and blend into the ensemble. You know, there's something about the boys.
Hi, this is a vlog takeover. So ngayon, hindi ko ito gagawin. Hi!
No camera.
No camera? Yes, camera. Ilang beses ka na nag-CR today? Actually.
Nagkasabay tayo kanina.
Nagsabay tayo kanina. Sabay kayo nag-CR? Opo. Sabay kayo nag-CR? Sabay-sabay din kami ng mga bar boys. Ganyan kami dito sa bar boys.
Daming intro. Price acting niya sa amin. Yes! 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 Hindi ko naintindihan itong mga bata.
Pakikat na lang yan.
What are you drinking?
They're drinking Jux Coca.
Oh my God! It's good for
Gout.
good for the health.
It's good for the gout if you have gout. So if you have gout, just drink like this. Ano yung parang gin lang yun eh.
Sabi nga nila, you are what you eat.
And what you drink? Ba't ganon? Wala akong masabi. Sorry guys, I'm boring. Pow! Pogi. Pogi. Kaya kong magtunog na Tiny Birds.
Tiny bird, sige nga. This is what we do during break times after we eat. So may kanya-kanya kami. Ano yun? Usual. Sana hindi magamit ng clips na to. Nakakahiya naman, Lord. Lord! Bell na. Kailangan natin umalis.
break time, 10-minute break for a Beroka moment.
Yes.
Because umuulan na naman ngayon habang kanina sobrang init.
Parang masarap may kaya ka.
Kanina mukha siyang mango. Ngayon ano siya, orange juice. Kulang na.
Hello guys, first takeover today. We are on a 10-minute break. Ganito ang mga 10-minute break dito. Ano masasabi sa standard? Ganda ng angulo.
It's a holiday, but we're working.
Yes, there's no breaks in theater. Masaya naman kami, wala naman kami nagreklamo. Tignan natin kung anong yung ginagawa ng ano bang castmates. Anong ginagawa mo sa break time?
Just talk kasi Maki. Friday.
Oh, nice.
Or Friday.
Is that a bar boy?
Not yet.
Not yet.
We're
Almost.
planning on hiring him and hiring him.
Anong ginagawa mo sa break time?
Yes, hello mga ka-wonder. Bago na ako bayad sa dance. Carlson!
Anong ginagawa natin sa break time?
Voice. We're learning all about the voice class with Teacher James at the gym. At Teacher Jim.
So kita nyo, napakarami talaga nangyayari itong break time. Ang dami yung mapupulot ng mga learnings. Makichismis lang kayo. That's the infamous bell. What do you do during your 10-minute break?
I pray for you.
Okay guys, the 10-minute break is over. We're getting back to our vocal rehearsal. So, back to you, Benedicts.
May say ba ang bawat
So we are done with our rehearsals. At ngayon, every after rehearsals talaga, ang daming nakapila dito sa CR. Ang lami! How's your day today, guys? How's rehearsal so far?
Life goes on and on.
Yeah. Ay, sir, good. Sir, good pa pala kami. Naiiiyak ko eh. Sir.
Thank you for today. Thank you for I love your work today. It gives me life whenever I hear you all together singing. Thank you.
Okay, pipila ulit tayo sa CR. Okay, nag-adjust yung pila. Pangalawa na ako.
The music's beautiful, especially po yung kay Benedict.
Akala ko rehearsal lang today. Bakit biglang nag-performance level?
Eh kasi na-miss ko yung songs. To be fair, ang nakakamiss ang kanta nito ng may puso. Parang ang sarap kasi kantahin ng mga songs ng Bar Boys kapag sinamahan mo ng puso. Sarap. Sabi ko, Ako ba yung sisigaw nyo? Yeah. Everything's about me.
It's National Heroes Day today.
Oo.
So, meet your heroes. Sino favorite kong hero?
Ako si Mariah Carey.
There's a hero. Si Andres Bonifacio.
Andres. Bakit?
Eh, syempre, pinuno ng katipunan, di ba? Hisoka from Hunter x Hunter.
Hisoka.
Hisoka, ako si Noka.
Tama na. Tama ng pakikipagplastikan, umuwi na tayo. Dami pa nilang energy, guys. Kasi music lang kami ngayon. Hindi kagaya kapag choreo. Sobrang pagod na pagod kami pag choreo. Uwi na and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye! See you tomorrow. It's another music rehearsals. At umagang-umaga pa lang talaga, sobrang naging emotional na kaming lahat. Well, at least to me. I only expected to learn music today, but I didn't expect that I will be feeling so much more than that. Because of our musical director, Mike Salomon, who initiated this exercise after our vocal warm-up. Nag-harmonize kami ng different, ng kung ano lang. And one by one, we offered a note that will introduce us and that will make us feel seen and heard. And each note, kahit iba't iba, was really something. Yung mga pagkakataon na yun, I felt like I was really listening and hearing all of them, each one of them. At sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam na knowing that alam ko magkakaiba kami mga tao, parang sa pagkakaiba-iba ng mga notes na kinakanta namin, but still we're able to harmonize. Para pang yung mga kinakanta namin, yun lang yung chance for us to express ourselves, our pain, our happiness, everything na pwede namin sabihin sa isa't isa without the words. Just humming and ahing, oohing. Parang thousands of words. And yun lang pala yung kailangan. Yun lang pala yung kailangan ko para ma-express. Sorry. Yun lang pala yung kailangan ko para ma-express ko yung nasa loob. Na hindi ko ma-express. Na ang tagal ko nang hindi naiiyak. Ngayon lang ulit ako umiyak. And ngayon may chance ako mag-solo na umiyak kasi nag-aaral sila ng everything today. Hindi ko pala talaga kailangan sabihin ko ano yung mga problema ko kung into words. Just merely singing those out of pain, out of anger, felt really safe. Indeed, a brave space and a safe space for all of us. I'm allowing myself to be vulnerable today. What matters most is the present. Itong nararamdaman ko ngayon that somebody out there also needs this kind of special space for us to breathe and express our pain. How lucky we are to have this kind of space to express ourselves through art, through music. I'm just so grateful. So grateful.
See you tomorrow. Bye. Anything you've heard sa balita in the past that has troubled you, angered you, frustrated you?
60 days na lang po kami na!
Ngayon ay tuloy. Handa kong harapin ang pagdaan. Paglalaban kita.
5, 6, 7, and game na ito, matapos kayo ng 1 sa spread na lang. Tapos mag-go first line na lang.
So, pagod po ang mga people.
Wala na lang. Tawa na lang.
Kamusta po ang mga people?
Natanggal yung bangs ko, guys.
Hindi na siya si Soda pa.
Okay pa siya, bangs lang nawala. Ako yung diwa ko, wala rin. Tawa na lang. Tawa na lang. Bye.
Ang masasabi ko lang ay itong bagong version at staging ng Barboys at mas mature, mas hindi natatakot.
Hindi
Sana
natatakot.
kumalat kayo.
Wow, so
Pero kami natatakot na.
Okay guys, we just finished the whole May Singilang Pangarap exploration stage. We're stage, but it's already there.
Sama nga sila yung mga OG. Sabi lang, may sigil pa lang, patay na sila guys.
Can't wait for you guys to see it. May Singilang Pangarap.
Maniningil ang pangarap pero dapat handa ka always sa pagbayaran mo.
Who knew rehearsals could feel like both a workout and a comedy show? This week was packed with progress and fun, proof that hard work doesn't have to be heavy. It has to be meaningfully and intentionally heavy. Because at the end of the day, productive rehearsals don't just build a show, they build family. Slowly but surely. See you again next week. Same love, bigger energy.